Hey guys, I wanted to pop in today and talk to you a little bit about a question I get asked a lot, which is how do we help our kiddos with reversals, particularly the B and the D? And so today I want to talk to you just about the letter D, handwriting formation, because this is something that I see at the center when I'm working with students, but also when I'm working with teachers. So what I see happening a lot is that students and teachers alike are making the letter C, and then they're picking up their pencil and dropping down to make the letter D. And this adds an extra step for our kids, which really can cause some struggles for some of our students. Not only that, we always want to be thinking about what we're doing and how it's leading to the next steps. So when we're doing print, we really want to have it be where we have the letter C and we go straight up, straight down. So it's one fluid movement. We're not picking up our pencil. So you might have a program that teaches it differently, but I ask you to be reflective because I'm going to show you why this is an easy link then to our next step, which is what? Cursive, right? So when we do cursive, if our students have learned this in print as a round up and down, or a C way up and down to a D without picking up their pencil, in cursive we always start on what's called the baseline, and I'm going to use the approach stroke of curve under, over, stop, and now I'm right where I would have started for print, and I'm going to go around, up, down, release. So the movement is the same whether I'm doing a printed D or a cursive D. And so you can see that this is a really nice link in that movement for our students, okay? And what we want to do eventually, the whole point of doing writing, whether it's in print or it's in cursive, is to have it be automatic so that our ability, our thinking is freed up for the purpose of our message and not for working with letter formation. So if you want to give it a try with your students or you have comments, I would love to hear them. You can drop them below. But yeah, give it a try. One nice fluid movement as we move into the letter D. All right.